Welcome! If you would like to keep this workbook, you can get the ebook or the paperback edition on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you need a little more time to read or think about a question. Let's begin. Question 1. In the game's opening cutscene, the hero must traverse a vast snow-covered mountain range before reaching the enemy stronghold. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means to. Here are your choices. A. Hide behind. B. Destroy completely. C. Decorate carefully. D. Travel across. The correct answer is D. Travel across. To traverse means to travel across or through an area, matching the context of crossing the mountain range. Question 2. The ancient guardian spoke in a resolute voice, refusing to move aside no matter how the players pleaded with him. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Cheerful and kind. B. Firmly determined. C. Weak and tired. D. Confused and unsure. The correct answer is B. Firmly determined. Resolute means firmly determined, which fits the guardian's refusal to be moved. Question 3. After the final boss was defeated, the once desolate kingdom slowly filled with returning villagers, music, and light. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Empty and lifeless. B. Wealthy and grand. C. Crowded and noisy. D. Dangerous and dark. The correct answer is A. Empty and lifeless. Desolate means empty and lifeless. The contrast with people returning confirms this meaning. Question 4. The rogue's plausible excuse for missing the raid convinced even the suspicious guild leader. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Complicated. B. Dishonest. C. Believable. D. Ridiculous. The correct answer is C. Believable. Plausible means seeming reasonable or believable, which is why the leader was convinced. Question 5. The villain's plan was so intricate that players needed 3 attempts to untangle every hidden step. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Complicated. B. Simple. C. Harmless. D. Boring. The correct answer is A. Complicated. Intricate means very detailed and complicated, matching a plan with many hidden steps. Question 6. Rather than attack directly, the stealthy character chose to circumvent the guard patrol by slipping through the sewers. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Surrender to. B. Report to. C. Fight through. D. Avoid or go around. The correct answer is D. Avoid or go around. Circumvent means to find a way around an obstacle, which the character did by using the sewers. Question 7. The knight remained stoic even as the dragon's flames roared past, showing no fear on his face. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Running away. B. Showing little emotion. C. Laughing wildly. D. Screaming loudly. The correct answer is B. Showing little emotion. Stoic describes someone who stays calm and shows little emotion, matching no fear on his face. Question 8. The oracle's cryptic prophecy left the party arguing for hours about what her words truly meant. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means, here are your choices. A, loud and angry. B, clear and simple. C, mysterious and hard to understand. D, short and cheerful. The correct answer is C, mysterious and hard to understand. Cryptic means having a hidden or unclear meaning, which is why the party argued about it. Question 9. The merchant's prices were exorbitant, charging 1,000 gold coins for a single healing potion. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means, here are your choices. A, far too high. B, freely given. C, very low. D, fair and reasonable. The correct answer is A, far too high. Exorbitant means unreasonably high, matching 1,000 gold for one potion. Question 10. Though tiny compared to the Titan, the hero fought with such tenacity that he never once considered surrender. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means, here are your choices. A, cowardice. B, confusion. C, persistence. D, laziness. The correct answer is C, persistence. Tenacity means determined persistence, shown by never considering surrender. Great work! Don't forget, you can print a free, customizable certificate of completion with the student's name on it. Just tap the link in the description. To keep practicing, get the full workbook on Amazon. The ebook is perfect for quick revision, and the paperback is best for real, hands-on practice. Thanks for learning with us.